Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel House on Pine. My name is Christy, and today I'm going to be doing another fall decorate video. We are now in the middle of September and the weather has been really hot here in the south, but it's finally starting to cool down. The leaves are starting to turn just a little bit, so I am putting out all of my fall decor on my porch. I'm also going to be putting out some mums, and I did find some pumpkins, so I will be putting out a couple of those as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this kind of content and you will stick around, subscribe to my channel. I'll plan to post lots more decorating videos, cleaning videos, but we're going to go ahead and clean off this porch. If you watched my summer fall decorate on my porch, I did a pretty deep clean. I'm just going now back and cleaning off the windows, sweeping everything down, moving off my chairs, cleaning them, and then we'll be putting out all of the fall decor. At some point before the wintertime, I am going to get a pressure washer and really wash these steps. I just have not had time to do it, and I'm not going to do it today, but I am going to have to clean these steps eventually because they are getting really bad and in need of it. But now I'm going to use some Windex. This one is the one with the vinegar. I really like this because it leaves no streaks on your windows. Now I'm using Method All-Purpose Spray. This scent is in the Honeycrisp Apple. This and the Lime. I believe it is in the green bottle, and it is the lime scent. Those are my two favorites in the Method All-Purpose Sprays. So I took a quick break from the cleaning to do this little DIY. I got these placemats at the Dollar General and they were just $2 a piece. I wanted some kind of mat to go over my rug that I'm going to put out on my porch, which is like a buffalo check. And I couldn't find any core mats right away that I really liked, so I picked these up at the dollar store because the dollar store is really close. And I thought these might be cute to make a little pumpkin out of, so I thought I would try it. And I'm just using this black piece of felt to make a little pumpkin stem. But I bought 3 of these and I just layered them in the shape of a pumpkin. And I'm going to be gluing that little stem on the top and gluing the mats together. And it turned out kind of cute. It's not exactly my style, but it just adds a touch of fall onto my mat until I can get a fall rug that I really like. This buffalo check rug I do believe came from Hobby Lobby. I could not find the clip where I actually removed the tags and placed this on the porch, but I do think I got it at Hobby Lobby. The other core mat I had was in kind of rough shape, so I just got rid of it for the season, but I'm going to go ahead and put all of the furniture back on the porch and add the rest of the fall decor. These little baskets are actually Threshold brand, but I did find those at a thrift store, so I thought those would be cute to place in some mums. And these mums were so pretty when I picked them up. These actually came from Walmart. I could not believe how pretty they were, but I got several of those to go on the porch. I got some orange ones to go on this front porch, and then I got a purple one to go in the backyard. If you have ever bought really large mums and they are floppy and they want to fall down, which I've had so many problems with, this one was the same way. I just took a skewer that I had from my kitchen and I placed it in the pot to give this mum some more support, and that worked so great. So if you're having a problem with that, that is a tip. So the last thing I'm going to do on this porch is actually hang this wood sign. This is a DIY, and I'm actually going to post a video about this on my other channel, Appalachian Home Co. So when I get that posted, I'll link it down in the description of this video. But this was a super simple DIY. I bought all of the wood items from Hobby Lobby, so I will link that down below. Now I'm coming back the next day and actually finishing up outside with some more purple mums. This one I'm replacing in my little flower pot that I have on the back deck. So I'm just digging a hole and I'm putting in those purple mums. These were super pretty as well. I'll be placing one in the flower pot and one on the back porch. I did not do a lot of fall decorating on my back deck because I'm actually probably going to be painting this porch later before winter time. But I got these placed out and I thought they looked so pretty. I'm also placing a little flag that I found at the Dollar General store near my house for only $1. And that finishes up all of the fall decor I'm going to be putting out this year on the porches and outside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found some inspiration and got some ideas for your own fall decor, even though it's almost October and pretty soon, it's hard to believe, we'll be putting out Christmas decor. But until then, I'm going to enjoy all of this fall decor and all of these pretty orange colored mums. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I encourage you to look through my videos. There are going to be more of these coming up in the future. If you hit the bell for notifications, you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. I wanted to thank you guys so much for picking my video and all of your comments that I get. I have not answered my comments lately, but I am going to get to those. So thank you guys so much for all of your comments and for all of you who have subscribed to my channel. I hope to see you back very soon in my next video.